how you doing today? My name is Ron Chubb. I am the PC doctor, and this is a home business tutorial for when you just get started out. And I'm going to be talking about what other people don't usually talk about when you're going to start your own business. And what I'm going to say is very important. Where are you in your life right now? Did you just get laid off? Did you just get fired? Are you just looking for some extra income? Maybe you're retired. But either way, you have to lay out a business model that's going to be about 3 to 6 months before you start making any steady income coming in. And the reason for that is these get rich quick overnight scams, or they're not really scams, because if you have your own website already and you already have traffic coming in, you're most likely going to make money from those systems. But if you're starting out fresh, you don't have a website, you don't have any visitors coming, no traffic, that equals money. So traffic equals money. Remember that in home business, because you're going to be online most likely, and that's probably going to be where you're going to be making the most money online. I would definitely recommend, if you're a brick and mortar business, to get online and do the same thing anyways, because you can make money on your website and your brick and mortar business. It's going to help you either way. But basically, where are you in your life? You want to give yourself 3 to 6 months, because at 3 months, you'll start to see an income coming in steadily, anywhere from $25 to $500 a week. By 6 months, you should be making at least $500 to $1,000 a week. And this time next year, you should be making a couple of $1,000s a week. And I'm going to teach you how. Just keep watching my channel. I'm going to put out a bunch of new videos. I'm going to update everything, basically starting off fresh from a whole new business model. But come back and join me, and I'll give you some good tips if you're looking to make some money at home. Take care, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.